My John Deere L118 will not start. I have replaced the solenoid and the ignition switch, still no luck. After talking to a couple of guys, they think it could be the brake safety switch. I don't know where to find it. Any ideas? Thanks, Jason.
Hello, my name is XXXXX I would like to assist you today. Do you have a digital voltmeter? Does the engine rotate at all when you turn the key and try to start it?
Hello, Vince. When I turn the key, nothing happens. The starter doesn't turn over, nothing. The only thing that happens is the lights turn on. Nothing happens, but the lights turn on. I have checked the solenoid by jumping the two terminals with a screwdriver, and then the engine will turn over.
Okay, if you have replaced the solenoid and the ignition switch, then I would say the problem is likely a safety switch. I have a manual that covers the 100 series John Deere electrical systems. You will need a digital multimeter to perform some electrical tests. I can post that section of the manual for you. It will basically give you a step-by-step process of what to check. Let me know if you have a meter to perform the tests. Without a meter, you are just going to replace parts until you find it.
I don't have one, but that's okay. I don't mind the processes of elimination as long as you have the correct locations of the switches for the L118. Thanks for your help.
Here is the manual. It does not call out the 118, but it should be the same. This is a little older manual. If you go to page 36 of the Adobe file, it will show you the wiring diagram. Page 37 starts the flow chart for the tests. You can purchase a cheap meter at your local hardware store for around $20. Let me know once you have checked out the items, and let me know what you come up with. Attachment 2013-0330-001416_L_series_electrical_1_of_2.pdf.
The manual did not help much. I already found the same manual with a wiring diagram online. The problem is I can't find the location of the actual switch. I've searched for hours on the location of the switch, but there are no pictorials to describe where it is positioned. Maybe the problem is the switch has been ripped off, and that is why I can't find it. I will just have to remove the wiring harness slowly and follow it switch by switch. Thanks for your help so far. Jason.
The brake switch will make contact with the cross shaft that the pedal is attached to. Press the brake pedal down and watch the shaft that moves. The switch will make contact with that shaft. It should be located towards the left side of the shaft.
Thanks, XXXXX helped me a lot.
Let me know if you are able to find it. I am still searching, trying to find a picture for you, but I am having no luck. I had one in the shop last week, but I was not working on that part of it. Next one I see, I will be sure to take a look at.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.